Thank you all for being here. It's exciting to get to talk to you today. So I want to talk about, given all the context that Jack just shared with all this, uh, all of these new advances in AI, all of the code that's going to be either generated or assisted. AI is going to assist in writing. What do you do about it? How can you make sure that you're not a victim to this trend, especially in security? So we're going to talk about four principles that we think you should think through, that we keep in mind when you're securing your organizations and your code bases. So next slide. So to start with, it might sound obvious, or at least it should be obvious after the intro that Jack gave us. But you should assume that AI code is vulnerable until proven safe. Not what's written gets shipped, but what's written gets verified, gets evaluated, gets tested. Just like you wouldn't take a junior developer or an intern and say, well, they wrote it, so it must be correct, and then ship it. You don't want to do that with AI generated code, especially when it comes to security. You can you shouldn't trust the code. You should verify the code. And so um, here's some more statistics. We mentioned the 29.6% metric from the GitHub Copilot generated code. Some others I found, 41.3% of GPT 4.0 code had vulnerabilities, according to one study. And CSET found that 48% of code from the top five large language models that they evaluated had vulnerabilities in them. And I have citations I can reference in the slides that we share. So the theme here is it is not the case that you can trust that these things are super smart. They must be generating secure code for the reasons that Jack talked about. And you want to start with the assumption that the code is useful, reasonable, but not correct, not necessarily correct, and not necessarily secure.